All right, this is an American Standard toilet seat. I'm going to show you how to remove and possibly replace this American Standard toilet seat. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I have this American Standard toilet seat. Now, if you want to remove this, say for instance the toilet seat gets old, you want to put a new one on, a more comfortable one that can allow you to sit on the toilet a little bit longer, this is what you do. So you're going to go ahead, make sure the toilet seat is down, make sure it's flush and nothing's floating in there, all right? So once you make sure of all of that, you come up to the rear of the toilet and you see these tabs right here. You're going to go ahead and raise these up like that and like that. And once you raise this up, okay, you're going to go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver and come in here and screw these counterclockwise. And if it slips and it's not able to unscrew, check under here to see if there's a wing nut or a bolt that you have to hold in place. And once you hold in place, you can go ahead and unscrew this and remove the seat. Now there's some rubber gaskets right here at the bottom. Make sure you don't lose those because you'll need those when you're adding a new toilet seat. You remove the toilet seat, you put the new toilet seat on. Make sure you keep these screws, screw them back in just like that, and then take these caps, put them back into place, and voila. That's how you replace a toilet seat on American Standard toilet. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.